366 of you coming in for the live stream. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hope everybody is Friday. It was excellent. Morning, evening, wherever you are in the world. We got some interesting stuff going down. I'm sure you've seen the news, but Binance is getting probed. They're under investigation for allowing U.S. traders to leverage trade on their exchange. Bitcoin, it got hit, earlier on it was down to 55. It's starting to rebound right now, and I want to get into why this could affect the Bitcoin price. In the short term, we're going to see some interesting price movements in the short term up and down. We'll get into an example because something like this has actually happened before in the past. So we can look to the past of what happened with that exchange, and in the meantime, what happened to the Bitcoin price. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the stream. Yo! Chico, can I get a shout out to his mistress, Kennedy? She makes good picks. What's up, Kennedy? Mistress, very nice to have you in the stream once again, and thank you for the tip, Dev1oper. Yes, the graph is a great coin. I hold it, but that is altcoin question. Save those for the very end, Sean NYC. I want to get into this content because it's great. I have something pretty interesting coming up. So let's talk about the entity, the news outlet that broke the news. It was actually Bloomberg. They broke it and they said Binance probed, I like they use probed, by the CFTC over whether U.S. residents made trades. It says Binance Holdings, largest crypto exchange, is being investigated by the CFTC over concerns that it allowed Americans to place wagers that violated U.S. rules, according to people familiar with the matter. The CFTC is seeking to determine whether Binance, which isn't registered with the agency, permitted U.S. residents to buy and sell derivatives that the regulator polices, said the people, who asked not to be identified because the probe is confidential. Binance, which has an office in Singapore, but says it lacks a single corporate headquarters, hasn't been accused of misconduct, and the investigation may not lead to an enforcement action. It's just a probe. That is what it is. So that is the truth. But probes can lead to enforcement action, especially if you're doing something wrong. So I'm actually going to do the CFTC's investigation for them in about 5 minutes. I hope I don't make the CFTC look bad, but it's pretty easy to figure out if Binance is allowing U.S. residents to trade on their exchange. So let's do it, you guys. Let's frickin' do it. Oh. Doesn't really fit with my hat, but here we go. Oh yeah! So this is a Chico crypto investigation. It's pretty easy to find out if Binance is letting Americans trade on their exchange. It'll take me 5 minutes, and I would like to walk you guys through this. I hope you guys can hear me with the music. I tried to turn it down. You should. Agent Chico! So, first, let's just go to Alexa rankings and type in Binance.com. And let's run an analysis. So they break things down by region, and it's pretty obvious to see the United States is still Binance's third largest geography, with 6.2% of the traffic. Whoa! So, you can't hear the music? Alright, so now we're gonna get into leverage trading, with Americans. I'm actually gonna have to turn off the music for this, because we just gotta hear this really quick. All right, that's pretty funny. Here we go.
Hey guys, Chris here with Crypto Beat. Another wicked video. Today we're going to keep it nice and simple. Yes, Bitcoin dumped, the alts dumped, everything dumped. Did you have your stop losses in place? Well, I did. I had some good exits and we are looking peachy right now. But what we're going to do in this video, we're going to go over Bitcoin, the future of Bitcoin the next month.
Yeah, this guy's totally an American, trading on the Binance exchange, showing you how to make money. Let's just go to this next YouTuber. This is January 11th, 2021 too, you guys. How about December 20th, 2020? Mike Vestal. This is a large influencer. Not only on Instagram, YouTube, across the airwaves.
You get commissions off. So let's
Binance is your personal
damn
writing
YouTube.
assistant for clear emails, confident messages, stronger essays.
just do that again. Bitcoin.
Binance, how to make money on Binance in 2021. Showing you how to leverage trade, showing you YouTubers. I mean, yeah, you guys get the idea. This is Mike Vestal, large. How to make money on Binance. Mike Vestal is an American YouTuber, entrepreneur, and author. Americans are promoting and trading on the Binance exchange to this day with links and everything, you guys. Hi, Chico, are you bullish on Pool Together? Well, I'm actually doing an investigation. I just made a video on it. I appreciate your tip, but yeah, just made a video on it. So it is pretty obvious, you guys, that Binance is letting Americans, trade on the exchange. This took me 5 minutes just to find a couple people, So now let's get into what could happen. I'm going to take off this dumb hat and everything. But yeah, 5 minutes, you guys. 5 minutes to find out if Binance is letting Americans still trade on their exchange. Ridiculous. What if they're using a VPN? Well, Binance still has to do KYC. You guys, come on. Don't be foolish. So now we're going to get into, the history of regulators, specifically the CFTC, going after clients who are doing leverage trading illegally within the United States. The United States allows leverage trading, but it's only up to about 4x. This happened in July of 2019. U.S. regulators probed crypto exchange BitMEX over their client trades. And they were like, oh no, the trading is known for 100x. Well, July 2019, this news came out. It didn't, we didn't get the big news until over a year later, October of 2020, when the CFTC charged BitMEX owners with illegally operating a crypto derivatives trading platform and not following AML, KYC violations. Exactly what's going on with Binance. They've had really relaxed. I mean, I've been able to set up an account on Binance just recently, you guys. I mean, I look to see. I don't trade, but I see if I can. So this is why Binance was doing this yesterday. And it was ridiculous to me to see CZ, the guy pumping about an announcement, pumping his coin only to reveal that it's them trying to cover their booties in the United States. So they hired a former guy connected to the government, former U.S. Senator, policy guy that worked with Obama. So they are trying, because who's in the president's seat, the Bidester. They're trying to get a guy who worked with Obama. So they're trying to save their booties. And they know they did wrong, you guys. They did wrong. It's obvious. They've allowed Americans to trade on their exchange since they opened. But this is what's very, very, very interesting about this is Ripple, who is actually XRP in a case right now with the SEC. So the SEC charged Ripple and two of their executives here recently with conducting the $1.3 billion unregistered securities offering. Well, Ripple, before this, they tried to get someone who was already after them on their team. This is May of 2015, and Ripple Labs actually resolved a criminal investigation that involved Roger Ver and investing in their ICO, you could say. And guess who was the U.S. attorneys on the case? Assistant U.S. Attorney Catherine Wan, who did join kind of Ripple here recently? Ripple didn't register their XRP as a security, blah, 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 blah. In 2015, a settlement with the U.S. Justice Department, whose investigation was led by Katie Wan, now a partner with early Ripple investor Andreessen Horowitz. They're trying to get people on their team. It's not only Katie Wan. Ripple has gotten many regulators on their team to try to save their booties. Binance is going to do the same thing. That was that move right there. Buying you a beer at Amsterdam prices. Hey, appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. Anthony De Angelis, you are epic. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Pixel Loop, do you think Binance and the BitMEX probe will be the BitConnect saga of this bull run? Ponzi schemes are destroying crypto. Well, it's not a Ponzi scheme. It's, could be considered in some eyes, but it's not a BitConnect Ponzi scheme. Yeah, so no, because it's not BitConnect, but yeah, they're doing bad things. And there will be repercussions. But they are trying to save their booty. And they're doing what others in the space have done to try and save their booties. And we can't tell, as of right now, if it's going to work. Because both of them, the probe is just beginning with Binance. No charges or anything, no wrongdoing. But I did the investigation for the CFTC. They could do it really quickly. Yeah, they're still allowing it. And they have been, even up to 2021. And yeah, I'm sure they're gonna start some crazy things now, but it has happened and they were doing wrong. So now we got to talk about the risk meter, you guys. So how risky is this? Binance is the biggest crypto exchange, you guys, by volume. How risky is this for Bitcoin and the crypto markets? Is it high, low? What's going to happen to the crypto markets in the meantime? Like I said, Binance does $32 billion? Jesus. $32 billion 24-hour volume. Next biggest competitor is Coinbase, doing about $3.8 billion. So multiplying other exchanges by a lot. Even Huobi, $7 billion. But why is this big? Because Binance is holding, one of the other assets that people see as a risk to the crypto markets. It's Tether. Binance is the largest holder of Tether. There's no doubt about that. Binance. Lots of Binance wallets holding a lot of Tether. And they're holding it in TRC20, Tron now, which is ridiculous. But why do they have so much Tether? Because of leverage, They are the leverage exchange now. Just based on exchange liquidations over the past 24 hours, Binance is making up 70% of the leverage exchange markets. Next is Huobi, Bybit. These guys should be shatting their pants too, because Bybit is definitely doing Americans. But what I want to show you guys is Binance is now 70%. BitMEX used to be the number one. They used to be the Binance. Now look, just 1%. 1 freaking percent. So what is going to happen in the meantime to the Bitcoin price? If Binance eventually does go down, because they are doing wrong stuff, who's going to be the next Binance? And they were doing a lot more. Like I showed, the article about the BitMEX probe was 100x leverage. Binance was offering 125x leverage, upping it even more. And they were offering leverage tokens, you guys. There's multiple avenues of leverage Binance was offering. Bitcoin, altcoins, freaking, I don't even know. Leverage tokens on altcoins, Bitcoin, Ethereum. But now I want to talk about the price. Of course, Binance is, offering a little bit more risky things than BitMEX was, and obviously to U.S. traders. So what happened to the Bitcoin price in the amount of time from when BitMEX probe was announced to when BitMEX, and their owners were charged? So let's look at the price. when it was announced, actually, it was announced on June 19th. July 19th, I mean. It actually, the price pumped in the meantime, you guys. 17th, 18th, and we had a little, down like we just had, and now we're having that, like, a little pump. By the 20th, we pumped, but then, back down to where we were. But then, after another pump, and, within the next month and a half, 2 months, we hung in, same range. So, not necessarily bad, but then you expand out the charts, you guys. As BitMEX, and they knew the regulators' eyes were on them, BitMEX had to, move away from the leverage markets. They still controlled it, but they couldn't do what they were doing. What happened to the Bitcoin price in the meantime? This is, where I showed. By December 2019, we were down to $6,000, you guys, from $12,000. 50% loss. And like I showed, it wasn't until October of 2020 that BitMEX was actually charged. So what happened to the Bitcoin price? October 1st, 2020. Pumped right back up. As we know, after December, we started pumping back up, but then the March crash. Who was still controlling the market's leverage during the March crash? BitMEX. I mean, this was probably the final nail in their coffin that, the regulators were like, all right, let's get them. And after, we pumped right back up, And then after, you guys, this is the March crash. This is all what happened right here. This is where we are today. So BitMEX is gone. BitMEX isn't a big entity anymore. What happened? Well, Binance slayed Arthur. Binance became the futures king. Binance took over. So the risk is high. I'm not going to try to say anything about that, In the meantime, I mean, Binance is going to know what's happening more than us, you guys. I mean, just like BitMEX knew more. And Binance controls a large chunk of the markets, you guys. So, I just don't know what to say, I'm eyeing personally, I'm going to be totally honest, right at this level right here, I am eyeing a portion of my portfolio to get into a stablecoin. Because it is possible in the next 6 months, depending on what the investigation entails, Binance is going to know what happens. So just being honest with everyone. Getting to your guys' tips. Thank you for holding out. Hey, Crypto and Culture, #1 fan. Thank you so much for the tip, brother. And one of the greatest Chico crypto chat moderators. What do I think of Kylan and Eternity Chain? I take tips for coins at the end of my streams. I don't like the middle of the content to be blogged up with, tips for coins. So, appreciate your tip, Ahmad, but that is the Chico rule. James Bradley, I love what Alchemist is doing. Thanks, man. No problem, man. Thanks for watching the content. Papa, if you lie on a bank application, you're a criminal, not the bank. So why are you dry snitching on others' bags? You should watch my channel. I've been trying to find the site you showed on one of your previous live streams where it does a spin on a random crypto. Could you show it real quick? It's just it's not a specific site for cryptos. It's just a random dartboard. Just type into Google free random dartboard and you should be able to find one. There's lots of them. Appreciate the tip, man. Chico, please mention fake Telegram groups. There are people using your name, logo, trying to get you in exclusive signal groups just for 0.5 ETH. That happens with every crypto influencer. Just know I don't do that. I say I never charge for any of my content, and I never will. So, yeah, it's a common thing. I can't stop the people. We can report them, but they'll pop up a new one. I'm trying, yeah, it sucks. I know, but yeah, they just keep popping up. And Ricky Bobby, if you ain't first, you're tipping $50. Thanks so much, man. I appreciate it. You are the man, Ricky. And Doobie Cooks, thanks for the check 200, man. You're awesome. Thanks so much. Bullish for ETH. Yes, Tim Dinan, I am bullish on ETH. Your ears might be burning a little. Hey, Scotty P Crypto. Incredible week thanks to you. Bam. Hell yeah, man. Thank you so much. Don't you think this all just adds up to them paying a fine and then opening up in the US anyways, minus leverage? CFTC is in the business of making money, not protecting us. Yeah, I mean, if they pay up, probably. The reason, BitMEX really went down was BitMEX didn't pay up. They were saying, but I don't know what's going to happen. But I see the risk. Crypto Master, iExec RLC just said they're going live with Jills and CZ on the 18th. Linked information. Edgeware getting listed on Binance, KuCoin, and BitREX. Okay, I don't care. Thank you. I'm not a fan of Binance, so. CZ being sleazy Nancy boy. Yes, sirree. Hayden Jury, thank you for the tip, man. Crypto Potato. Chico, please give us a discount for your OnlyFans. Oh, OnlyFans? My OnlyFans are here. So yeah, now I'm going to talk a little bit about some altcoins. NFY. I am getting bullish on the non-fungible projects that aren't only, just creating crypto art, the actual NFTs themselves. I'm looking for the infrastructure and the projects that are taking NFTs to the next level by integrating DeFi with them. NFY is one of them. NFY has probably been built the longest for an NFT for transferable stake. And they do have announcements and a site design coming over the next few weeks. Be sure to join their chat for the latest news as it comes out. And within the chat, it looks like Sayodi, he said, Monday, most likely we have several announcements to make and need to lock down the partnership agreement. So, good news for the NFY. But another one, similar to NFY, I always, look for multiple projects in specific industries that I see blossoming. Tokenized indexes, cloud, AI, Ocean, iExec. I get into multiple projects because, I do see more than one succeeding. And if one only does succeed, actually, hopefully you're in the one that is the successful one. Alchemist Coin is another one, similar to NFY. And they tweeted, there's going to be a party at the Alchemist tonight. Did you mint your Crucible yet? So I think that's a hint. Did you mint your Crucible yet? I think there's going to be some sort of gift, something for the early Crucible minters. So I would, if you're involved, like the project, look into Crucible minting, because that to me feels like a hint. I don't know about you guys. Okay, yo Chico, now that Matic is listed on Coinbase, it's Coinbase Pro, what do you think about the future of the Polygon platform? I don't like it. I think it's a Trojan horse, like a Binance Trojan horse, like I've said. Yeah. Siddharth Moria, Binance going down. Final pump to 75 to 80K with Coinbase IPO. Chico has the best content. Thank you so much, man. It's possible, within the next 90 days, because these next 90 days are crazy. Of course, March, we have end of it, most likely the Coinbase IPO. April, we have big stuff for Ethereum, and then at the end, end of May, beginning of June, Tether has to fulfill their first audit, and we may get more news regarding the Binance stuff. Prontitoya, opinion on the dip and link situation? I hold both of them, and I don't know what situation you're talking about. They're working together. Jake Ryan, I even made money on Bazan. Gotta watch all your content. Your friend in Reading. Hey, Jake. Thanks for the tip, man. Continuing to watch for all these years, man. Deck Wrecked. Thank you for the amazing content, sir. Thank you for the $5 tip, sir. Salarina, hey Chico, pretty new to your channel, but it's amazing. Would you be willing to share your exit strategies for projects? I appreciate you, man. I'm usually a long-term holder. Of course, I have an exit strategy for, you know, the peak of this market, and I haven't followed it like I should have. And I probably should make a new exit video here soon with my ideas. They change, you know, suddenly. And I probably should have followed my old strategy. But like I said, I am eyeing, this news is very big. I'm telling you that right now. Igor Ivanovic. Cheers, man. Big fan. I read on Discord yesterday that Arte plans farming very soon, probably this weekend. That sounds huge, especially for a low market cap. Yeah, sounds great, man. I do hold some Arte too. I do like that they're trying to integrate all NFT standards into one. So this is actually kind of a hint. I actually gave a hint earlier on because I didn't exit out of the content. But this is just a hint for tomorrow's content regarding what's coming. Ethereum, yeah, if you know what that is. And then, yeah. Hey! But now we're to the altcoin questions. So, Arte, yeah, I do hold some. I do like what they're doing, and I put a smidgen in. Actually, yeah. An exit video would be great. I'm probably planning on it because, like I said, I am heavily thinking about it. I do think there's one last hurrah, you guys. Like, I do think that. With the Coinbase IPO, next 90 days, Tether, you know, things are gonna, Tether's not backed, you know, Binance has been doing shady stuff, these markets are, you know, inflated. Then one last hurrah, I think, before it goes down. Johnny D, $100, man, thank you so much. You guys are very generous, and not even asking a question. And Itwid. Thanks for the €5.49, man. Sandeep, thank you for the $20, guys. Chico, can you check out Chain Guardian's governance token, CCG NFT? I'll check it out. I'm not saying it. Not on here, oh, there it is. Why didn't it come? Oh, CGG. I was putting CCG. I'll look at the website, browse it. It's an NFT. I'm telling you guys, a lot of NFT projects are just going to be popping up out of crazy, trying to come up on the hype. Look into how long they've been building this for. It didn't just pop up out of nowhere. And I will look into that for you just really quickly, if they have a roadmap. And if they don't, then I'll be like, uh-oh. Yeah. Uh-oh. It probably popped up just out of nowhere, so be totally careful. I appreciate your tips, Sandeep, but... Benito PT, hey Chico, give a look at Olympus DAO, an algorithmic stablecoin backed by DAI. Still on sale on Twitter at Olympus DAO. So they're not on CoinGecko. I'm sorry, Benito. It's just I can't be going out of freaking... I know Twitter's not going to give me no baloney. Ohm. I think I've heard of Ohm. need their website. If they don't even have a website, that's kind of... Need their website and their Twitter. Appreciate the tip, Benito. Hey, Chico, thanks for the content. Hope you got the Merle airdrop. I don't know of it. Are you saying mural? Like the paint one? I need to check still. I probably missed it. I'm so busy right now. Chico, take a look at Project Inverse, XIV. $32 grand. Yikes! I just... Red flags I'm seeing everywhere, but, it's okay. I mean, yeah, the team is public, but I'm saying the team don't look like the best of teams. But, don't listen to me. Cartesi, what do I think? I haven't looked into it, so I don't know. Been around though, the block, I know that. Something to do with coding. Might have to look into it. Appreciate the tip, man. Any updates on Deuce Finance? Looked into it, noticed it's a 2-token system. Gee. Oh my god, you guys stop tipping so much. I've traded a few stocks on XDAI and it seems super smooth. No updates. I haven't actually had a chance to try it out myself, and I don't even think I'm allowed to, so I probably shouldn't be doing it. But yeah, it's out there, you know. Not promoting it, you know, for people to trade. I'm promoting people to trade their swapper. But the layer 2, you know, synthetics, I don't know how that is with regulators yet. So make sure you're in a country that allows that. Love you, bro. What do I think about AGVA, Agave? I haven't looked into it. I mean, I've seen it's been running and running good. And it's Aave on XDAI, so that's nice. What do I think about the reserve rights token? I do not like it. I've spoke on this more than a few times. I talked about it back in the day because possible PayPal stuff, Peter Thiel and stuff. But Peter Thiel isn't even connected to PayPal anymore. PayPal looks like they're going with their own stuff. Connected to Paxos. And there's other projects doing bigger things, more volume, doing the same exact thing. Integrated further already. How to get into Alchemist early? Figure that out for yourself. That's called DYOR. Appreciate the tip, Tom Biddy. Hey Chico, thanks for your content. Thoughts on BlockNet and the Avalanche partnership? That'll be interesting to see if BlockNet goes on Avalanche. I've done a sponsored piece for BlockNet way back in the day. Any thoughts on ICX? My thoughts on ICX are still the same. I hold a smidgen of it. The reason I do see them, you know, being a smart contract blockchain for South Korea. Outside of that, I don't see them growing that far, but that's why I don't hold that much. DGCL, DigiCoil, making lots of noise lately. Appreciate the tip too, Rish. Digicoil. What does it do? Easy NFT creation. So this is infrastructure. I mean, it's not bad, but yeah, they just recently came out, you know. When they say, you know, we had quarter four, you know, we started in quarter four of last year, it really means they started this year. So I mean, it's a brand new project. Again, these are projects I'm like, look for someone who's been doing it for at least 6 months. At least. Hey Chico, do I know of BayPay? It could be a new Rarible competitor. Cheers from Italy. I don't, Donald. I appreciate your tip. Really low down there. Low volume, low market cap. But not like extremely low. It's trying to connect to my... I hate freaking ones that try to connect to my MetaMask automatically. Looks really, really, really not great. No. Not competing with Rarible. I mean, not great design or anything. Vitaly Simononian, are there any projects you're bullish on that are trying to convert real-world assets such as property into digital assets you can collateralize on DeFi? Thanks for the straight-up content. Actually, yes, Centrifuge. I've covered that one on multiple occasions. It's not a token trading. The token is out, and you can earn it in a few ways, but it isn't trading yet, but Centrifuge. Finance real world assets in DeFi. There you go. Yeah, it's a good one. Once the token is trading, this is going to be a top hunter. I know that. Joseph Jasildo, Inverse, INV. Someone just tipped me for that. I think that's the same one. No. A similar name. Yeah, they had an airdrop, a governance airdrop, and it was pretty significant, it looks like. I mean, the token's worth over 1,000. I think some people got like 50 of them. So, yeah, looks... I wish I was involved with airdrop. What do you think about the upcoming FN exchange? Saw that they got a new team and nice roadmap. That's a red flag for me. They need a new team and a new roadmap. They failed once. I mean, you fooled me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. I don't even have to look at that. I appreciate your tip, Henson, but that's... Come on. Come on, man. Johnny D, thank you so much for another 100. I think that's 2 from you. What are you doing, man? Have you heard about Collector, KLTR, best NFT gem? No, it's not. I'll tell you that, because Chico finds the best NFT gems. But I'll look at your supposed gem. Not on here. Sorry, Joshy. Or, no, not Joshy. Crypto lover. Larry Bird, thoughts on Kusama and its importance in the DOT ecosystem? I actually hold more Kusama than DOT. Because I see its importance. I started covering Kusama at like $15. Less than that, maybe. I don't even know. I was the first one to cover Kusama. Do you think Hoj is a joke, or does it have legs? Probably a joke. And it's not on here? I don't know. Hoagie? I like hoagies. Or is it Hoj or Hoagie? Will ETH 1559 really change things? Now people pay more gas to get their transactions. With 1559, people will tip more, so it isn't the same thing. It's hard to say. And I'm actually getting into that tomorrow in my content with Ethereum. But I support EIP 1559. But it's going to cause a lot of problems, and yeah. I mean, shoot. The content's going to explain it a lot more than I can right now. Royale Finance. Roya. I don't like the name. Go look at the team real quick. What is this crap? Send. Don't show pictures. I don't know. I mean, it doesn't look great. I'll tell you that right now. I don't know what it does. iGaming industry. What do you think about MCDEX and Bancor with Arbitrum? I'm excited to see some layer 2 swappers. I'm more bullish on Bancor than MCDEX, but excited to see what happens. And I think MCDEX just, took what Perpetual Protocol did. I think that's, I might be wrong, but I think MCDEX is Perpetuals. Mohit Chuhan. Hey Chico, love your content and appreciate the hard work. Can you please share your thoughts about VIDT? Got a lot of big shill back in like 2019. Connected to Binance. Never been a fan. What up, Chico? Any thoughts on Zenfuge? No, I don't. I do remember it from last time, though. Tips to look at it. Their MVP is live. That's good. I have an MVP. I saw Binance on there. I don't know. Yeah, they're promoting Binance. Cool. Dan Engler, I forgot if you got the inverse finance airdrop. If so, are you still holding? No, I didn't. Yeah, I mean, it sounded like a big airdrop. One of my buddies did, and he got a good amount. James Bradley, don't understand how EWT is so undervalued. I see it as top 5 crypto for the next bull run. So many partnerships and staking, etc. Patience. Patience, my friend. Jesus. I only started discussing EWT like less than a year ago. Patience, my friends. Come on. You guys need to stop looking for instant gratification. You're not going to get it. I mean, crypto, I know alt season makes you feel like you will, but that goes really quick. And we'll have 4 years of a lot of struggle, but then EWT will work its way up to that top rankings during that time. I know you shout on Polka Pets, but I would push you to look into it. Every single pet has actual utility with dot projects. Check OpenSea in their Medium. I just don't understand how there's NFTs on Polkadot when they haven't even like unlocked smart contracts and stuff. They're on freaking Ethereum. Cool. I mean, they have a plan to go to Polkadot. I know that, but a while back you did a video on Elon. Oh, damn it. You son of a bitch. Oh man, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get to it. Jesus, you guys. Yeah, damn it. I'm sorry. It just skips me. I need to start going quicker, you guys. Chico, do I like concerts and festivals? What do I think of Senso? Virtual reality concerts for the new normal. I like virtual reality. I'm involved with it, and I know no cryptos are involved far. So baloney. But I'll look really quick. I'm trying to go quicker. Yeah, baloney. I know VR. They need to work with actual people who use VR to get big, you know, and they're not involved with anyone, from what I can see. Handshake, that's interesting, though. Thank you for the tip, man. How about status? I am S&T. Thank you so much, Nelson Ellen, for the $50 tip. Status, messaging platform. I don't hold any, but it is an old one, been around for a while, and they are moving out. Private secure communication, I was correct. POA forums are indicating the threshold to be a validator is being lowered, proposed to reduce the minimum stake validator amount to 2,000 stake. Heck yeah, that's awesome. I could become a validator then. Austin, keep an eye on Eureka once available. Okay, I will. Thank you. It's not available, so. Your thoughts on the trust swap future? I did the sponsored segment for them. And the escrow, I mean, crypto escrow is very important. Hey Chico, all Coinbase releases Matic scale except sushi. Any idea why? I do not get your question, Morphin42. They added all three of those to Coinbase Pro. I don't know what your question is, Morphin. Appreciate your tip, but yeah, those all three got added to Coinbase Pro. My thoughts on Polkadot? No. Polka Markets, Polka Start, or Polka. And Polkadot. Yeah, they just came out, you guys. I mean, this stuff, it worries me. I mean, Q1 2021, they say they're coming out, you know? That stuff worries me, is all I'm saying. Just look at that. Just look at that. Hey, Chico, can you check out INV? Fair launch project back in December. Just went tradable. I looked at it already twice now, my brother. Rose. Yeah, it looks like a great airdrop. I unfortunately didn't receive any of it, but could be big. Hey, bro, can I get your thoughts on DeFiVille? Ticker Isla, not on CoinGecko. Creator Fabo Monzani works for Pool Together and designed the Pool UI UX. I don't know. I mean, if it's from that guy, you know, he's involved. I hate when people, you know, branch out and try to make multiple tokens. That's one thing I do not like to see, because it looks greedy. And what's he moving away from Pool Together for? You know, is my questions. Hey, Papa Whoop, thanks for the Canadian $20.99, brother. Thanks, Tyler. Great content as usual. Good singing, too. I love that singing part. Explodier, are we not seeing your beard come off this run? I don't know. The last hurrah could be that 100K touch. Cheers from India. And the crazy research. Yeah, I'm glad you like it, bro. Menudo, oh, hey, apologies in advance if you already spoke on this. What are your thoughts on sushi being on Coinbase? No thoughts. It's interesting and it's good for BAO. Extremely good for BAO. Hey Chico, check out DeFiVille. They add functions based on community votes and are going to be adding some really cool NFT stuff soon. They don't have it, but I will keep it on my radar. I don't go branching out of CoinGecko looking for coins because people could be trying to lead me to some naughtiness. Appreciate the tip, Ron Bubble, and I will keep it on my brain. Thoughts on Vesper Finance from DeFi Summer Child. Vesper. It's up there. I haven't heard of it for being higher up there. Interesting that I haven't heard of it. But I haven't heard of. This looks like a yield one. I don't know, you guys. I wouldn't get involved with these. I mean, I would get involved with the more popular, bigger ones, you know, that are audited and have a lot more developers, like Wi-Fi and stuff. And I don't know if this is exactly like that. Tyler, thanks for what you do. What are my thoughts on Bondly? I haven't covered it as an NFT platform, so I'm not bullish on it. I know they're involved with NFTs. They got Jake Paul. I like others. Hey, Chico, did you see that post on the Chainlink Reddit about insurance for liquidity pools? No, that sounds super awesome. And seems to be connected to the hackathon. No, Joe Smothers. That's great tip, and yeah, I love my link. How long do I plan to hold GRT? I do plan to hold GRT at a portion of it. You know, I'm not going to sell off all my crypto assets if I sell off, and this is a blue chip. Blue chip stay. You should mint the Alchemist Crucible thingy on stream. There's a guide on their website. It'd be interesting. I mean, that would have been cool to set up, you know, but it'd be hard to set up right now. I'd have to get ledgers out. I mean, I have to make sure it's the right wallet. I mean, just a lot of work. Sandeep, Chico, Chain Guardian TGG roadmap is on its website. Okay, well, I appreciate it, guys, but I gave my thoughts on it. I know you want to show your coin, but it looks just basic as can be. I don't see it anywhere. They need to make it more clear. Oh, there it is. Yeah, see, they literally just came out. Or no, they have 2019. What? Yeah, I mean, just do research and, you know, have they been building that long? I mean, people can say whatever they want, you know, do the research. Were they born then? I mean, if they've been building for a while, that's probably a solid project to look for, you know? Words are weapons. Chico, do the Ricky Bobby stop pause for the frame. Laugh out loud. Your thoughts on Omi and Theta. Omi, it just looks really, again, basic to me. They say they have these big partners, but it's just like the website and everything looks super, super basic to me. Like, that looks like that was cut out, you know, with a Photoshop and just placed on there by a basic video designer. Yeah. Invested Crypto 1420. DOR is a decentralized Oracle aggregator that aims to solve the Oracle problem. Mainnet soon. Curious what your thoughts on it. Again, you guys, you should know who you're talking to. Chico Crypto. I just made a video on it yesterday. Chainlink is going to smoke DOR. Chainlink is going to smoke anyone. They're trying to aggregate oracles. Chainlink aggregates oracles already for themselves. I don't know. I mean, it could work out long term, but you've made my year, Tyler. Thank you so much. Johnny D, dude, stop tipping so much. That's $250, man. Thank you. And I'm glad you have an excellent year already. It's only March. Cheers, Johnny. Gio De La Cruz. Hey, Chico. Please check key Tango. Tango. Tango down. Tango down. Not Topanga. I'm thinking Boys Meets World. lots of coins just launching out the blue, only trading on Uniswap. No team. I mean, just look into what this is. There's no team, so yeah, I'd be weary. Doesn't look like they're doing anything brand new or anything. Chico, what do I think about DDX? DDX. I have never heard of it. And it's up at 208. I mean, crypto derivatives, yeah. I mean, a decentralized DEX. This is okay. Oh, Coinbase? Might have to look into this one. Could be a big one, especially what's going on. Especially if they're partnered by these backers. Thanks for the tip, man. KYL is a token from a Polkadot project. May be a competitor with Link. Again, you guys, you should know who you're talking to. You're not going to get me to be like, oh yeah, this Oracle project that just came out is better than Chainlink, who's been working on this since 2016. Right when Ethereum got deployed. I mean, I'm Stanky Link. You're not going to change my mind, you guys. Hagop Valerian, $200 tip. Jeez, guys, calm down. Like, you're being a little crazy right now. The markets were down. You know, they're pumping right now, and you're like, oh yeah, they're rebounding. They might go down again. I appreciate that, though, Hagop Valerian. Can you check out ERSDL and tell me your first thoughts? I am scared since they cannot spell but claimed code. Well, I mean, it's not necessarily a bad thing if people can't spell. This was tipped to me last time. I don't know, it just looked kind of like, what is this? Yeah, I don't know. I mean, you'd have to do, like, deeper research into these two guys, how long they've been working on it, you know. Is there even a protocol yet? So, yeah, they just started this, but a lot of projects, I mean, came out within... I mean, when they say Q4 2021, I really think it was Q1 2021, you know. So they just started this, just launched. So, new projects, I'm a little scared of. Any thoughts on AmpNet, AAPX? No. No, it's like exactly the same like some other tokens. It's literally the same amount of volume. The question mark right here, the chart looks exactly the same. It's like, holy macachoni. And it looks like just other freaking things. These look like literally copy and paste, you guys. Be careful. And if they're trying to do energy, they're going to get smoked. Greenpeace? I mean, yeah, look into these partners, because these are big partners. If that's true, you know, there could be something behind this, but just verify, you know. Verify, verify, verify. I can't verify it myself on stream, you know. Hey, Goblarian, you're awesome. Thank you so much, man. You're awesome for tipping freaking $250. Chico, what do I think of AdaSwap? DeFi plus NFT ecosystem just launched. 5,000 supply. Wink plus Twins connection. Scotty P bought a small bag. I don't know. Again, you know, if it's just launched, I think a lot of these projects are just trying to run off the quick hype. I mean, that doesn't mean they won't pump. You know, people are looking for new coins right now. I can't find it. But it's not like a long-term bag I'd be holding some of these projects, you know, because when the crash comes, I mean, these are the ones that get hit the hardest. Yo, Chico, do you own any actual NFT art? Yeah, I did a proof of beauty. I did that on a video probably last week, and it is my only NFT piece of art I own. But that's going to be for a short while. Chico's got some big stuff coming. Chico, any thoughts on the Uptrend token? I use Uptrend constantly. No like personal thoughts on their token. Low volumes and everything, but I use it. Thank you for the $10 tip, man. Judge Holden, thoughts on LBC Coin and the Library Odyssey video hosting platform. Live streaming coming soon. That's awesome if live streaming's coming. I mean, I might use it. And they've been holding well. They have good volumes, high market cap. Fuck, I hope it didn't skip, guys. Might have skipped, guys. I'm not trying to do this. This is YouTube. YouTube needs to learn. Like, people are mad tipping nowadays. They need to save these questions. Davi, thank you for the €1 tip. I appreciate that. Pixel Loop, have I looked at Xbon? They have connections with Muse and NFTX. Vasa has been working with them. I did see that. I haven't looked deep into it yet, but I did see there may be connections. But it's probably just connections. I mean, Xmons is just an NFT game monster, so I don't know how far the infrastructure could go. But, yeah, interesting. My opinions on DIP. It's my favorite decentralized insurance product out there. I hold it. I've said that on, I think, like 10 occasions in the past month. Thank you for the tip, man. Hey, Chico, in relation to NFTs, what do I think of Rare? It's already in XDAI, 0 commissions for artists, and it will be in the Zora network. Again, Unique One Rare, they sent me tokens. It looks interesting. If they're going to be with Zora, but I need to research that. I haven't had time. Can you please take a look at Hi-Fi Finance? I actually did a video on it last week, I think. Maybe a week and a half ago. So I'm not going to re-look at it when I recently just covered it. Watch my content. I appreciate the tip, and I'm not trying to be an asshole, but watch my content. And yeah, I hold some. I like that they nabbed up Sablier. Hey, Chico, thank you for the great content. DYDX integrated layer 2 ZK rollups. Alpha phase is running right now. Maybe something to consider with the airdrops. What is your opinion on their technology path? Well, I can't. And the L2 is only for outside the US, so I can't play with it. But yeah, I covered the airdrop on multiple occasions. I still think they're going to do one. Brandon Rolden, a while back you did a video on Elon Musk buying property in Texas for Bitcoin mining. Do you think he wants to get some power from F2? No, you guys, I didn't do a video on... You guys are remembering things wrong. No, Elon Musk didn't buy land in Texas for Bitcoin mining. Elon Musk bought land in Texas for his factory and stuff, and it's possible that he gets into that. And Elon's friends are doing Bitcoin mining in Texas, but no, Elon didn't. Bitcoin mining. What are you talking about, bro? Any thoughts on Radical? It's basically a decentralized GitHub. Recently had a partnership with the Graph. I did look at Radical a little, and some of these coding-based, blockchain projects I am getting interested in. So might take a look here soon. It might be too late by the time, but I can't be early on everything. Mushfik1, or I, thank you for the $20 tip, man. Hey Chico, appreciate all you do. What is your take on Luna, Terra, Mirror, Anchor, Chai ecosystem? I just don't like the Cosmos connections. I'm an Ethereum. You'll notice that tomorrow. So I'm bullish on Ethereum and Ethereum's ecosystem over Cosmos, and I think like Polkadot for the IBC internet blockchain of blockchains, you know. Hey, encrypted broker. Thank you for the $50 tip, man. Have I seen loot? It only has 20k coin supply, and if you've seen meme over the last few months, it may be one to look into. No, I haven't. See when they came out. Not seeing a roadmap, but it looks done all right. I mean, loot boxes are, you know, have a lot of eyes on them lately, so not necessarily the greatest name, but if I had to be any coin that wasn't in the top 50, what would it be? Why? Energy Web, because of their partners, and it will be eventually in the top 50, but Larry Bird, Energy Web. And why? Partners, D3A, they're going to change how energy is traded. Chico, Muse is going to go past 100 soon. I can't comment on that, if it will or won't, but I hold a good amount of Muse, and I'm very bullish on it. Oh, it's up to 77? That's nice. Very nice. I like. BTC all-time high in next 2 hours. Thought on Mantra DAO. Again, I've covered Mantra, said my thoughts on it many, many times in many live streams. I'm more bullish on other Polkadot projects. Hey Chico, what are your thoughts on Hi-Fi Finance, MFT? I already talked on that. Covered it in a video probably like a week and a half ago. Yeah, I like that they grabbed up Sablier and everything. Roger T, thanks for the $50 tip, man. Yield app ticker YLD, check it out. Up to 20% APY. That's cool. Yield app or YLD, wrong one. Okay, am I on the right one? Good partners. Public team. That might be one to look into. Depending on, you know, research, of course. DYOR. Thoughts on AdaSwap. NFT Bliss DeFi ecosystem. 5,000 supply. Winklevoss Twins connections. Scotty P bought a bag. I already talked about that. Unless I'm re-answering stuff. Yeah, I might have to look into it. But again, just launched. It's like, oh. Hey man, please check out Casper Labs. ICO coming very soon. Again, it won't be on CoinGecko, so I can't invest in ICOs. So none of that interests me, personally. Hey Chico, what are my thoughts on Kava? Cheers from Switzerland, where nobody is taxed on capital gains. Well, hey, congratulations to you, you lucky son of a gun. But Kava is Binance connected, Binance IEO. I don't like Binance IEOs. going to be the same. I'm not going to change my opinions. If you've noticed, I stick with my opinions. I have my opinions for a reason. Not going to change just because, you know, Matic got listed on Coinbase. I don't give a flying freak. Binance owns a crap ton of those tokens and manipulates the crap out of that token. And is probably a significant amount of the validators on their chain. Wouldn't doubt it for one lickin' second. I am trying to follow a new strategy, accumulating Launchpad tokens. Okay, I'm not gonna Launchpad tokens. Again, I can't do that stuff. I am American. So go find another channel. That's stuff I can't comment on or should be talking about. Delta Financial. If you know, you know, eh? I don't know. So I don't. Yep, I don't know, and it's not on here. I don't know. Wife says no. Market cap prediction for Alchemist coin. I don't make predictions, you guys. You know, I make sometimes a random Bitcoin one, but I'm not gonna, you know, predict the price of a coin, you know. That's not something I should be doing. That's not anything any YouTuber should be doing. Yeah. But I hold it because of the fundamentals and what it's doing with NFTs and DeFi. Can you check out AOT? No, I can't check out 3 coins. I will look at one. Not on here. Modify. Or Oracle. Again, I'm a Chainlink guy. You're not going to get me to be like, oh, yay, this one's going to beat Chainlink. No, it's not. Hi, thoughts on the Union Protocol, UNN? No thoughts, because I don't know what it is. Union Protocol Governance Token. Protection, it looks like insurance. Looks interesting, actually. Have to look in, you know, the team and all that kind of stuff. Partners. Alameda. 3 commas. Waves. Yeah, I mean, it looks decent, actually. Maybe one to look into. Whew, you guys, I don't think I'm going to be able to get all 3 of your tips today. Holy mackerel. It's skipping ones. It's... Oh, wait, nope, we're back. I'm catching up. God damn it. No, don't skip. Only an idiot would be buying something because I bought a little bag. Listen to Scotty P. Scotty P is trying to say DYOR, you guys. Like, yes, you know, Scotty P and me, we've been in the game for a little bit longer, you know, but don't make your opinions just off what someone else is doing. That is not what you should be doing whatsoever. It's what you shouldn't be doing in life in general, and you should not be doing that with crypto trading. DYOR. Do your own research. Learn how to do your own research. It takes time. You know, you need to put in the work to figure out who are these people behind that project? How long have they been doing it? What's the GitHub look like? You guys, stop asking me for price predictions. I'm not going to do a price prediction for an altcoin. I hold it because I like the fundamentals. Long term, I see it doing extremely well, especially with Luxo and their mainnet architecture. Did I see Hitachi partnered with EWT? Article on Medium. Yes, I did. I have seen all these partnerships. I love it. That's why EWT is one of my top 5 coins. Do you guys just want me to I don't know, what is that word I'm looking for? To give you guys validation with your olds. I've talked about EWT so many times. 2 weeks, I think it's been since a week and a half since I talked about Energy Web. And now people are like, whoa, do you still like EWT? Yes. What is your opinion on antimatter matter? Best options technology? No opinion, because I haven't heard of it. App coming soon, so nothing out yet. Or they might have backend. Ugh. Icky. Don't like that. Number one VC. Nasty VC. Don't like them. Frederico Abreu. Hey, Chico. Thanks for your content. Any thoughts on CyberFi? I appreciate the $25 tip, man. I've gotten tipped multiple times for that one. It's yellow. I mean, I got, like, you guys want to see a photographic memory? CyberFi. Yellow and black background on their website. Yeah, I remember, you know. Yeah, it looked okay. Like, nothing outstanding to me. The website's cool. But again, you know, the team wasn't totally transparent and all that stuff. Thoughts on Hi-Fi Finance NFT? Holy Jamonis, you guys. I've talked about it so many times in the stream. I talked about it last week. I like that they picked up Sablier. What are your thoughts on AirSwap, AST? They are part of Consensus, integrated to MetaMask and market cap close to 50 million. Again, I like Uniswap. Uniswap's my swapper of choice. I mean, but there could be a play with AirSwap. I do know they have connections to those guys, so. Yo, dude, check out B20. Pretty interesting. Let us know your thought if you haven't covered it. Thanks. No, not yet, but I think the last live streams. I can't remember the background of this one, but... Oh, yeah, now I can. Pink and... Damn it. I don't like that they want to connect to your stuff right when you get in, so you can't even view their website. Yeah, it just looked decent. Not like anything outstanding. Hey, Chico, have I looked into DFOUB's item, Arte? It fuses ERC20s, 721s, and 1155s into an NFT. Yeah, that is why I actually hold some. It is a project that I do see doing something different in NFTs, expanding the infrastructure of NFTs, so I do hold some Arte. Appreciate the tip, man. And censorship, thank you for the 99-cent tip, man. Hey, boss, what are your thoughts on Dago Finance? I only do one, so stop trying to get me to do multiple cryptos. I would never be able to get through it if I did multiples. Ever. Dago. I remember this. Dago. And they had a pretty decent website, which was cool. But again, I mean, it looks decent, you know, cooler website, and I will go Dago. But, like I say with every project, how long have they been working on this? Did it just come out? Who's the team? GitHub. Partners, you know, that type of stuff. DYOR. Hey, I just answered that. What do I think of Polka City? I don't think much of projects that just copy the polka. Like, as their name, you know. It just reminds me that they're trying to, you know, run with the hype of Polkadot. Now, if you're making a product, you can integrate, you know, Polkadot into the product name, of course, but not for your main name, you know. That just makes me think you're just trying to run with the hype. That's interesting. Virtual taxis and stuff. Again, same type of stuff. Team. Look into the team. Who are these people? How long have they been working on this roadmap? Yeah, so they just launched this. So again, risk. IterXC7, thank you for the $5 tip. When can we expect a portfolio update video? Your last one was in November. Yeah, I do them about every 3 months, so thanks for reminding me. Here soon. Pierre-Antoine Errand. I'll probably do my portfolio update and then probably, maybe my cash out strategy. Are you the guy who bought 600 ETH of DAO? No. Because I've never heard of it. Someone already tipped me for it, I think. Decentralized Oracle? No. This is that one aggregator. No. I got Chainlink, though. Font. NFT marketplace for selling fonts. I did see that. Someone tipped last time. Lots of NFT projects coming out. But, again, I just don't see, I was a little confused even back when I first got tipped. I was like, for fonts? Why? Maybe I'm just not seeing something here. Carlos Rangel, let's push BTC to ATH with some magic. Play the BTC Pump It video. Thanks for the great content. Yee. Which one do you want? I probably shouldn't be doing this because I'm slowing me down. Damn you. Novogratz Moon?
Bitcoin, please go to moon. Stop going sideways now. Don't ever say we going down to 1K, but Mr. Novogratz say we have bottomed out. Bottomed out.
Novogratz is bullish.
Bottomed out.
Oh, that's the best.
Novogratz is bullish.
Bitcoin could be at 40,000.
Let us go to moon.
Okay. I think that's good. What do you guys think? Hopefully I had the volume on. I wasn't just dancing. Yeah, okay. Hope that's enough. Where is it? Hey, Chico, love your channel. Is there any microcap gin that you're bullish on right now? No, you guys, I'm not like hiding microcaps in my pocket. If I have one, I cover it. I appreciate the tip, but I'm not like that. And I'm not going to just be covering microcaps on my channel just to pump microcaps. I try to find actually good projects that are going to actually move up in the rankings, not just, well, then right back to where they were. Hey, Chico, have I heard of X token? No, I have not. Way down there, I'm telling you, it's not looking good from volumes or market cap. It's on Uniswap, but wants to connect. I might have to look into it. I mean, decent website, but again, no team or anything off the bat. Is Ghost gonna soar like XOR? Thoughts on a parachain? Are you talking about Avagache? I like Avagache. I wish I would have got some ghosties. But they sold out quick, which is a great sign. So yeah, $59 million market cap for Aave. Delta Financial, DeFi blue chip from the core devs. What core devs? There's a lot of Discord devs. Not on here, bruh. Sorry. What do I think it will take for Bow Finance to go up and stay up? It keeps moving up and then dropping back down. Like I've explained, I think 20 times on the channel. Layer 2 synthetics live. That will push it above 100 million market cap. It's gonna hover, 50 million market cap until, they get a full movement on that. I would say. I've explained that. What's this magic? Thank you for the $1 tip. Are you talking about the meme magic I was just performing? AdaSwap is listed on CoinMarketCap. They just put in the app for CoinGecko listing. Thank you, Adam. I don't use CoinMarketCap. It's owned by Binance. Don Pro Mega, what's good, Ty? Thanks for the research. And that checks out. When the Chico Charles Hoskinson fight, I would love to do it. Love to do it. But we're going to do it on equal terms, not only his terms like he was trying to do. Yeah, we're going to do it on equal terms. If he wants to fight me, I will freaking throw down. But equal terms. We're going to agree on a venue. We're going to agree on who's promoting it. I'm not going to just let your homeboy Crypto Crow do it. Am I stupid? No, I'm smarter than that, Charles. Come on. And that's what he doesn't want is, equal. He wants it to be his rules, everything, I'm not stupid. Do you have opinion on this penguin fish thing? Because the shillers are becoming unbearable. I don't. I haven't looked into it. So no opinion yet. But I did look and their, group is within the Uniswap Discord. So. Oh, Whale Bayer Shark. Tip me $1,000 check. Whoa, dude. You're crazy, bro. Maybe you're in need of some rehabilitation, Chico. Check out the NFT rehab. Oh. What are they doing rehabbing NFTs? Sounds like an interesting concept. Stake turn hot NFTs. It depends on who they partner with and everything. Again, no team, so that's a red flag, but looks kind of interesting concept. New. Something I haven't seen before. Anthony, thank you for the $50 tip too, man. Unimex.trade is in version 2. Can I look into it? I'll check out Unimex. And I don't think this is... Oh, yeah, no, this is Unimex.trade. Why don't you try to connect to my wallet when I don't want you to? If I want you to, I click that thing. I hate when websites do that. Yeah, looks decent. I mean, margin trading, again, 5x. They got to register with, if they're going to allow, U.S. people, but if they're doing it in a legal way, which I think 5x is allowed in the U.S., that would be fine. Can I talk about the Reflexer airdrop of FLX? Are you talking about Rye? Felix? Are you talking about Felix token? Yeah, so it sounds like they might have changed some rules. I haven't looked into it. I haven't had time yet. I might look into it here soon because I am interested in that token and probably this weekend once I get off this stream. Thank you for the tip, man. Hey, Chico, thoughts on Beta Whale? Uses a mix of Red BTC, Pax Gold, and NFTs. Fairly launched in Uniswap and a working product. Sounds interesting. Combination of gold. Looks like they have their gold and their Ren BTC right here. I don't know if that's the governance token, but again, it sounds, kind of interesting. Oh, I remember this one. Yeah, it's just a website. I was like, this looks kind of basic. They need to up this stuff. But again, no team. Have the DeFi Labs. They already did pre and network. Chico, thoughts on Coin? It's a DEX with atomic swaps soon to show. CoinDefi.org. Not going to links if it's not on CoinGecko. It's there, okay. Coin. Fallen. They got their team there. No pictures, but you can click into their LinkedIn, it looks like. Yep. Roadmap stuff. I mean, same thing I'm telling, doing with others. I'll tell you to do the same with this one. Look at their roadmap when this came out exactly. How long have they been working on it? Bullish on Unit. Yes, I do hold some, Salarina. Definitely looking at that one as a stablecoin competitor. Appreciate the tip, Sal. Hey, Tyler, really loved your recent 2 altcoin picks and wondering if you plan on showing us some other ones in upcoming days and weeks, months, years. Thanks for advance and all you do. Again, you guys, I don't plan my content. I research just based on research. I'm not trying to find small cap coins. I'm trying to find good projects that are doing something different in this space, that have been developing it for at least some time, and it's going to change the game, the NFT game, DeFi game, the crypto game. So I can't really say if I'm going to have those. I don't know. Still bullish on Etherisk. Yes, it's my favorite insurance project. I don't know how many times I have to answer these questions, you guys. Sorry if this has been addressed, but I bought a bunch of Alchemist through Uniswap. What do I know about progress team, etc.? Thanks. I made a video on that, Kenny. Watch my videos within the past couple of weeks. I heard of Inverse Finance? Yes, we've covered that about 3 or 4 times on the stream already. Airdrop, didn't get involved with it. Same story. But it looks like one of the persons is connected to the Urine ecosystem. Hey Chico, I discovered UOP. It's a very interesting NFT project in the music industry. They're trying to tokenize song rights with the revenue stream. Interesting use case. Music, I mean, all the hype's on game. I mean, the hype's on art right now. Gaming is getting a little bit, but music, hasn't seen their day. Whoa, low volumes. They're on Bitfinex, though. They must be around for a little bit. Could be a play, you never know. Music, like I was saying, that hasn't got its hype. And I think music is probably going to be even more important for creators with NFTs than artists. Chico, who do you think will come out on top projects that are building a new internet and smart web? Handshake, Ethereum. The URL is delta.financial. Again, you guys, I don't go to outside links. Just a rule of mine. I'm not going to break my rules just because Kronye approved it. Have you seen miners threatening a 51% attack on ETH and Vitalik proposal speed up ETH1 and ETH2 merge? Extremely bullish for ETH, especially now with Binance under pressure. That is what tomorrow's video is partly on. So yeah, Ramos, thanks for the tip, and your ears were a-burning. Can I take a look at DAOFi, please? Please. I'll look. I'll take a... DAOFi. Oops. I like customizable bonding curves. No team. It means they're Chinese, though, if they have a WeChat. No team, no showing team Chinese. That's kind of like sets me off as a red flag. But, because, I mean, they don't have to not be anonymous. You know, if they're from China, they can put themselves out if they're, you know, going to put out a DeFi protocol. They don't have to worry about U.S. regulators. So why are they, you know, hiding? And especially when that project was promoting towards Western investors. You know, that website was pure English. VKGMS. Thanks for the $4.99 tip, man. I appreciate it. Chico, check out BPro. Solid team and project for DeFi gaming. I think I looked at it already. And it's that pinkin one. No. That was B20. I mean, I'm more bullish on others. And again, where are they from? Brazil? More bullish on others in the gaming space. I'll tell you that right now. Yo, Chico, what's up, Aurora Ware? Thanks for the $10 tip. I've heard you talk about Decentraland in some older videos. Wondering your thoughts with Engine on the rise after the Samsung partnership. Say hi to the hotties in Orville. What's up, Orville hotties? I haven't met an Orville hottie in a long time. Yeah, so what was your first about Decentraland? So I like Decentraland. I think it's cool, but I really think they need to get into VR. You know, if you're trying to do a multiverse world on a 2D screen, it's only so much, in my opinion. You know, you're not going into a multiverse if I can touch this right here. You know, VR is the only way to go. And I would like to see their plans for that long term. And if they don't have plans for that, I don't see Decentraland succeeding. But regarding Engine, they've been talking about their multiverse for a while too. And I'm still a little confused on how theirs is going to work. Appreciate the tip, man. So Martin De Beer is asking me to look at Warped Finance V2. This isn't, someone didn't tip me for this either. This is just me grabbing this random one because I'm through all the tips. Low volume, market cap, low. Audit report, that's good news, but I'm sure the team's anonymous. So again, you know, I mean, with a lot of these DeFi protocols, I get why the teams are being anonymous, because they don't want to be hit with regulators. But anonymous teams can rug pull you. So, again, beware of anonymous projects. Never put in more than you can afford to lose in anything in cryptocurrency. And with a small cap anonymous team, I mean, little, if you're going to even think about investing in it. YF Die, wife says no. I've heard of it, but yeah, this has a bunch of YouTubers behind it. I don't like it. Know that. Hey, Chico, what do I think about Ether 1? What is that? Is it just some shill trying to take the Ether name? Ether 1. What is this? Is this trying to take the Ethereum name? This bull crap. crap. I don't know. Yeah, I don't like it. I'm just trying to use the Ethereum name, which I think is a lot of BS. Hey, wow, Xmon has a big follower like Alchemist. Could that mean something? I don't know. I mean, Xmon's is more, again, like the actual NFTs themselves. I look for different things like the trading, infrastructure, swapping. Does the CFTC have jurisdiction over Malta? CFTC has jurisdiction over your mama. No, I'm kidding, my friend. My friend, that was a joke. The CFTC has jurisdiction over anyone that allowed U.S. traders. So if they operated within the United States, allowing trades with traders within the United States, the CFTC has jurisdiction over them. And Binance is not in Malta. They were kicked out about a year ago. They were there for a smidgen, but even Malta wouldn't accept them. That should make you go, whoa. They're in Africa right now. Small African nation, probably. Smartlands. I looked at, I mean, that's one, that gets into the STOs. Everyone's, hearing about NFTs, DeFi, but STOs, could be making a big hype run soon. This is one that's been around. It's built on Stellar. But if Coinbase tokenizes STO, their Class B stock, STOs will get a big old boost again. So, I mean, there could be a play, but... When is blockchain leaks dropping? Airdrop. Oh, there is no blockchain leaks airdrop planned or anything. But blockchain leaks, the website is right around the corner. There's my website or my Twitter. But yeah, BC Leaks, the crypto media outlet that will compete with Cointelegraph, CoinDesk, large entities, is right around the corner, and it's going to be a lot better website than those guys. Going to, of course, consist of written media and articles like they do, but some of the best video content in the space, a community section, and also a really awesome crypto-based store. So, going to be a lot better than those guys. Zero swap. Any thoughts? Zero gas ETH trade decks. I got tipped many times. The shill, they noticed that they weren't going to get me to like it, so they went away. But this is like one trying to take the Avalanche. I mean, Avalanche is open source. Anyone can build on it. But this is one that just built on them. It's not endorsed by the Avalanche team or anything. I'm more bullish on Pangolin from the Avalanche side of things. Top 3 VCs we should definitely eyeing out for. Paradigm, Grayscale, and BlockRock while we DYOR. Grayscale isn't a VC. They're an institutional investment firm. I mean, crypto VCs you want to look out for Andreessen, Paradigm. Why can't I think? Oh, another big one. 3 Arrows. There's a few others. Just look up big crypto VCs. I mean, ones you want to stay away from is Neo Global Capital and those ones, because they are known for what they did in 2016, 2017. That's why a lot of their projects aren't the ones pumping this time, because everyone knew what they did. They jammed it up people's bungholio, and yeah. Alright guys, well, I have been on the stream for a good amount of time answering a lot of questions from you. So I appreciate everyone tuning in for the stream. There is big risks in the markets right now with the largest exchange being probed. And, there is no wrongdoing as of right now, but of course a probe is looking for that wrongdoing. And if you do a little bit of investigation, you can find out that yes, they are allowing US traders. So at the end of the streams, I like to ask everybody to follow me on all my social media outlets. I'm on Uptrend, a decentralized platform. Someone asked me about their coin. I am on Twitter as @LeaksBlockchain for blockchain leaks, the website coming soon. So give that a follow, definitely. because there are big things coming with the website, and it could be coming within the next week, 2 weeks. NFT. I'm also on Instagram as @ChicoCrypto. ChicoCrypto. Give me a follow on there, and Facebook. Zook. The Zook Schmook. Oh, of course, Rafael Camacho. Thank you for watching and tuning in for the stream, man. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope all you guys enjoyed this stream. Whoa. What happened here? Yeah, I got shadow banned. Whoa. Binance did not like what I was doing. Woohoo! That is hilarious. Look at that. Right here is where the ban comes in, because it should not be dropping off a cliff. Oh, wow. Alright, guys. Well, yeah, I knew I was probably going to get this from doing this type of stream. I will be streaming a little bit longer after, on Theta. But yeah, that's so obvious. Like, right here is where the ban comes in. I mean, so obvious. I hate that. But yeah, YouTube, if you watch this, you know, because I'm going to be contacting you guys, right here is where I was unfairly reported by Binance shills. Yeah, so check it out right about here, about 9:50 a.m. YouTube, I'm talking to you. So when you watch this video, look in. I'm going to actually send this in an email too, right here. Please, because it's annoying. Yo, what's up, man? DDO, what projects will benefit and thus moon in the upcoming optimistic rollups? Those going on it. Synthetics, Uniswap. When will I do my next rap video? I don't know. Maybe here soon. But yeah, that's ridiculous. That ticks me off. And I actually want to do something before I get off too. And see if it's shadow banned. Yep, shadow banned. So we are actually, I'm going to stay on live streaming a little bit longer because this hasn't happened in a long time. I contact YouTube live because it just makes it easier. And sometimes it works. So I'm going to be contacting YouTube about this. And actually, this is pretty good right here. Because then we can... Because this is live YouTube manipulating content. Or outsiders manipulating content. And YouTube systems failing to fix it. You know? Gotta take a print screen of this. I love when this happens. I don't love when it happens, but I love when it happens live because then I have live footage to show YouTube. Like, come on, you guys. So you guys can leave. Missed the show, but wanted to tip. Thanks for the great content. Thank you so much, Tommy Maples. I'm shadow banned right now, significantly. So we're contacting YouTube. Streaming right now, and my live stream is shadow banned. Not showing up in any searches, and my live viewers have fallen. Live stream in question. Yeah, no, it's shadow ban. So when you know a shadow ban has happened to a video, all you have to do is search by the person's name, and if the video they're just posted doesn't show up, it's been removed from everything. Bullcrap. I hate when YouTube does this. But I kind of knew it was coming. that an entity doesn't want seen. I said, yes, it has been unfairly, it has been removed and unfairly reported, as I'm doing a controversial stream that has an entity that doesn't want it seen. Yep, 100%, that's what's going on. They saw, and they were like, alright, stop that. Report him. Yo, yeah, CZ's mad, and this is proof that, I mean, I don't have proof that he's doing it, but come on. Anytime I talk about Binance, I get unfairly reported. It's kind of obvious. Lena, Super and Pawn, shilled on YouTube channels. I don't know, man. I don't care about YouTubers shilling coins. I would beware if there's multiple ones going on from YouTubers. Yeah, it's totally shadow banned, you guys. It has been unfairly reported and taken out of all searches and everything. Limited because it's been oh, I hate it. I hate it. But yeah, I have to stay on live because usually when I've done this in the past, when I contacted the live people and it happened to me live, they were able to get it fixed live. Like it started showing up in searches again. Yeah, but this is obvious right here. Like it should have slowly, you know, deflated. But it didn't. Hello, sir. I think CZ scared and paid for shadow ban. No, he has CZ. I'm not saying this is him because it could be any other entity out there, but they unfairly report using a network of bots. Say my video is breaking YouTube's rules, and YouTube, if it's coming from a distributed area, a DDoS attack, it sees it as real. That's what happens. It's obvious. I mean, I could do YouTube's job for him in 2 seconds to figure this out. But YouTube doesn't want to figure it out because that means work for them. I bought FTM in 0.009 in May of 2019 after watching you and DYOR. It has done great. Any thoughts on FTM? If I missed it today, sorry, I just showed up. No personal thoughts on FTM. That was a sponsored content I did back then. Like I am always 100% transparent. That was a sponsored content, but yeah, looks good. So if you guys are just tuning in, probably not much of you, I'm losing viewers by the second, we've caught YouTube live in a shadow ban. And I am actually in conversation with YouTube live to figure out why I am shadow banned and my video is not showing up in any searches. It's been removed from everything. So hopefully we get a good answer from YouTube. It fixes it. Frickin' Binance. Let's check one more time, see if it shows up. Nope. I got this one good. Another way to check too for a full shadow ban is you search by the title. If it doesn't show up with the title, you're like, alright. Gone. It's basically like it's not on YouTube. The only way you can find the video is if you go to my profile. It's been taken out of all promotion on YouTube. Which I don't like that. Like, how is that even allowed on their freaking platform? Shadow bans, because that's what it is. It's not banned, but it's shadowed. So, hopefully we get a response here soon from them. Been about 5 minutes. Anthony, BitMEX is an innovation on-chain margin trading platform entirely contained with Uniswap shorts, longs, and directly executed on Uniswap. Also, they're launching on BSH staking, trading, and pool suppliers. Awesome to hear, Anthony. Thank you for the tip. they cannot find the video either. Yeah, live is the best way to do this, because you kind of get YouTube backed into a corner. I have viewers that are saying they can't find it. Like, if I did this after the live stream, they would be like, oh, but it's showing up on my end. Like, oh, everything's fine. No, I have, like, backup here. I have live viewers that are going, hey, no, we can't find it either. Something's wrong. So, it's great when it happens on a live stream, because you actually can get help, because they are kind of backed into a corner. Okay, guys, UMEX has sister coin, DGN, that will launch. I don't care. Like, I'm not a big Binance fan. You're not going to go, oh, whoa, look at, yeah, Binance, cool. Anthony, come on, man. What do you think about Zero Exchange? Its first TradeX built on ETH, Avalanche BSC, dot integration coming soon. Again, don't care about Binance. I talked about this just a second ago. Zero, it's built on Avalanche. It's open source, so anyone can buy, but it's not, you know, endorsed by the Avalanche team or anything. YouTube sucks every time. Ban your video because you against centralized system and CZ. I mean, it's not YouTube. It is YouTube. It's their systems, but it's people abusing YouTube systems. It's not YouTube decided to, you know, take me out. Somebody behind the YouTube desk. No, that's not how it works. YouTube doesn't care about crypto YouTubers. It's their broken systems, and people have found out how to abuse them, and they allow it still, which sucks, because, I mean, to fix it, they have to do work. I mean, yeah, I know I'm getting censored, KB. That's why I did this live, is so I have some backup. Just in case this Alvin comes back and he's like, oh, everything seems fine on my end. I go, no, go to my live stream chat, and nothing's fine on anybody's end, you know. Gonna keep this going and just say thank you for KSM. No problem, Tommy Maples. You brought it to my attention and bought in July of 2020. And now waiting on Kilt and jumped in heavy on the dot parachain. Kilt looks great. No problem, Tommy. Thanks for the tip, man. Yeah, man, Alvin, he's this is tough. They usually don't take this long. So Alvin's like, what is going on? Usually they're back in a couple minutes. It's been almost 10 minutes. Come on, Alvy. Figure this out. I know you can, boy. Still banned. Kind of sucks, too, that I have to hang out like this long, because my performance with live stream is getting slaughtered right now. Stay on, you guys! I've already lost, like, close to 100 viewers since I started this. Stay on! Can you explain why Binance is in the wrong? I don't have to explain that, Jay. They allow U.S. traders on their exchange to leverage trade, and they don't perform strict enough KYC. It's easy to understand. Where the heck is that one with the chat? Oh, there it is. Oh yeah, this is stumping Alvin, you guys. Alvin's stumped. He needs a few more minutes. Well, Alvin, I gotta freaking pee. And I'm not getting off the live stream until this is solved, because, well, I mean, if he just tells me there's nothing we can do, of course I'm not going to stick on the live stream for 24 hours. But, that would be actually kind of funny to do. I don't know what I'm going to do. Oh, there's Scotty P. Fix the problem or he stays on for 24 hours straight. Heck no, we won't go. Heck no, we won't go. Don't shadow ban the go. I appreciate it, Scotty P. Don't shadow ban the go. Any thoughts on Telcoin? No thoughts. I've been tipped many times for it, but been around for a while. Haven't looked into it. Just haven't piqued my interest. But while I'm here, go give Scotty P Crypto a follow too on his YouTube channel. He gets shadow banned too, because he's tied to me. And Crypto and Culture. These are friends of Chico and good YouTubers, so give them a follow. Oh, Alvin, boy, this is taking too long. Usually when I contact them back and they're able to, you know, fix it within a couple minutes, I researched and then it was back up. But this one's not coming back. But I am with Scotty P, though. I'm sticking here 24 hours until this is solved, Alvin. I'm going to live stream till I can't no more. Will you guys sit with me for 24 hours? I don't know if I'd be able to hold out for 24 hours. I can't show you my crib because this is tied to a webcam. This is my side room. The studio's back there. I'm actually thinking about upgrading my live setup here soon too. It's just, again, time is short as a daily content creator. Figuring out when to do that is, you know, only day is Sunday. Usually, I mean, I could do it after a live stream, but but I'm thinking about getting my live stream set up a little bit more improved here soon. Oh yeah, you all 967 are staying. These are the loyal Chico crypto viewers. They ain't leaving. They're staying all 24 hours with me. All 24 hours. Oh no! And then 860 people leave. Dang it! They're like, I ain't staying 24 hours. Alvin, dude. Okay, you said a few. A few is usually more than 2. 3, 4. See my chat rate. Chat rate was flying, then it crashed just like everything else. Oh, Chico, 24 hours if I throw on the old Chico dreads. Woo, that's possible. Oh, this is a good graph, actually, to see it, too. I do have those in the dresser. I haven't found someone to make the wig yet. That reminds me I need to do that. I mean, I could tape them on right now. But yeah, the playbacks. This is a good chart. Because, I mean, just look at, you know, the first half of the stream. 19,000 playbacks. When the shadow ban came right around 9:50, we only got 3,000 more playbacks in the next hour. 19,000 in the first hour, 3,000 in the next hour. Shadow ban. Yes, it's a big issue. I'm live and my viewers can't find my content, even the ones who are live. They are searching for the video too and cannot find it by searching I'm saying it, you guys. I'm saying it. I said it. It's a big issue. I'm live and my viewers can't find my content, even the ones who are live. They're searching for the video too and cannot find it by searching my name or YouTube channel. And I'm saying I'm staying live until this is fixed. I'm staying live until this is fixed for my viewers. He's doing it. 24 hours, baby. Let's go. Let's go. And the countdown begins. Where is that thing? There we go. Any thoughts on Toshi? No thoughts, my friend. I wish I could spark one up, but YouTube's not a big fan of that. Any crypto peats into corals? Chico needs a reef tank. Unfollowing CZ for this. Thank you. Yeah, it is bullcrap that they do this. And my channel is probably going to be getting hit for the next couple of weeks. If you don't see my videos for a while, don't think that I'm gone. Know what's going on. I'm getting hit by bots. Reported. Because I made this video. And I'm not going to stop just because of this. You can keep going. You can keep reporting me, guys. I'm not going to stop. I will keep doing my content and speaking the truth. Because the truth is needed in a really, really manipulated space. Any thoughts on Mega? No thoughts, never heard of it. Not gonna... What do I think about AGA? It's a decentralized Bitcoin mining protocol. P.S. I will stick with you for 24 hours. If you're gonna stick around. Interesting decentralized Bitcoin mining protocol. Low volumes, though. Simple. I just joined, but scale while you wait for 24 hours. I'll ride with you. Yeah, I mean, scale out of, some of the newer scaling solutions coming out is one probably to keep an eye on. It's up big time, too, with the Coinbase listing. Who is the bigger cook, CZ or Charles Hoskinson? I mean, I don't like either of them. Probably CZ, though. I mean, because of what he's involved with. Yeah. Yeah, I'm on Theta, too. There's the Theta viewers. Hey, what's up, Theta? How you guys doing? Of course, for the sacrificial nature of Chico Crypto. Someone's got to do it. I mean, if I didn't make this video, who the heck would have? I mean, I'm sure other YouTubers are talking about it, but they're not, actually talking about what could happen, Actual news. Oh, Mark, why'd you retract your message? Chico you say DYOR, but do you have to realize since I've followed you, my portfolio has 20x, so just saying. Yes, DYOR. I mean, as a piece of your research, I could be a good, asset to have, watch my channel. But again, don't just follow blindly anybody. Someone paid to send and retract their message. Yeah, this is taking a good while. I mean, I contacted him first. It's been 20 minutes. Wow. This is the longest I've had to be on with support, and they haven't. Oh, we're getting tight. Thanks for waiting. Okay. Yeah, no problem. No problem, Alvin. Yeah, this is our general stuff. I know how important this is for you. Yes, my video isn't showing up how normally, so what's going on? Showing up, Alvin. I don't like. I hate the general responses, you guys. It frustrates me. I've checked your video and I'd like to share some insights. Okay, what are the insights, man? Oh, has anyone checked too? Yeah, I'm still not showing up. Let's see what his response is. I've been through this many times, and I'm just planning on getting a general response of, oh, everything looks fine on our end. You're going to have to wait for it to be reviewed. Yep, and so here they come with the COVID. Due to the recent global health crisis, we're taking steps to prioritize the well-being of our employees. Alvin, the video is not showing up in searches and is unfairly reported. Please get this fixed. Oh, it's so annoying. Just using the COVID excuse. I don't even know what to say to him, you guys. It's just so frustrating. Oh my god. So, I don't know, guys. Will you, just on your end, search for Chico Crypto and search for the video's name? I'm going to tell Alvin to go to the chat and... my subscribers, they are all saying they cannot find the video either, and I have done nothing wrong. I don't even know what to do about this, you guys. That is really unfair to do to the He basically just told me that due to the reporting, we rely on technology. Sometimes unreviewed content may not be available via search on the homepage or in recommendations. Shadow banned. So I said, so the video is shadow banned. That is really unfair to do to subscribers who are honestly trying hard to provide content. So you just take out my video, the performance, because you're lazy to check. Your company is too lazy to check the video. That's what you said. Great. That makes me feel like really, I don't even know how to explain it. That makes me feel like I'm. You guys love me as a creator. So there is nothing I can do about this. Sorry you guys have to sit through this. This is seriously... I don't even know what to say to these people. God, I hate it. I'm sorry. I get so frustrated because this happens to me on a regular basis. Yeah, no, it's their response to their COVID response. It's a perfect thing for YouTube because now they don't have to help anybody because they can just say, "Oh, COVID." You guys can leave if you want. I'm not going to be streaming for 24 hours. I'm just freaking, of course, ticked off with what's going on, It's been shadow banned, the video, taken out of searches. And they're just basically giving me the old COVID response. He's saying he's letting the team know. And I'm asking, can I get a copy of that, Because, yeah, I know most of the time it's BS. I'm just going to figure, hey, can I get a copy of you letting who you know, that this has happened on multiple occasions to me. It continues to happen. I don't know what else to do to get my channel out of this, because it's been going on for over a year and a half now. Fuck. Makes me just want to do something to, shadow ban the video. Pull my winky out. Oh, they're unable to provide me of a copy. With them. Yeah, of course, you guys, like. This to be reviewed. I'm so frustrated, guys. Well, they're not gonna fix it, so it could be 24 or 48 hours. I'm not gonna stay live streaming for that long. If you guys do want to, you know, stay streaming with me for a second longer, I am going to be continuing the stream on Theta for a little bit longer. But I'm going to try to figure out what I'm going to do about this video. Because it is shadow banned, I might re-upload the live stream as a regular video. That's what I used to do in the past, and it worked pretty well. But I don't know. So... I'm saying check my chat. All my viewers will say I have done nothing. Yeah, I'm just... Oh, good. Maybe I mean, I had to do the stream, but maybe I shouldn't have, but... Because, yeah, I am going to be getting hit for the next week or so. Maybe even longer, depending on how much of an a-hole this guy is. He didn't ask me. Answer my question. Said, it'd be nice to get an expedited review. And he said, your feedback has been encouraged. Forwarded. Bull crap it has, man. But I will. I'll send back their feedback. I'm going to be honest. Thanks for the little bit of help. Because, yeah, you didn't freaking provide me any help. Tip ton shadow ban Chico. It's not gonna happen, you guys. He just basically told me there's nothing we can do. It's done. Their systems are broken. We have to go through the regular process of COVID. Yes, we're not going to be able to review your video for about 12 to 24 hours. Yeah, they know their stuff's broken. They know it, and they won't admit it because admit is, yeah. So again, you guys, follow me on YouTube. I'm done on here. Freaking shadow ban's been over an hour longer than I wanted to stream because of the shadows ban, but of course. Oh, it's showing up on what? It's nah. It's still shadow ban. Nope, unless you can help the video. Yeah, so, yeah, I'm going to be, yeah, still shadow banned, definitely. Anthony Monroe, thank you so much for the tip, man, and the $20. You guys are awesome. Yeah, that's actually a great idea. Whoever gave me that. Where do you go? Flip the title. Binance is mooning now. That is actually a very good idea. Re-upload it as a Binance, you know, bullish. That's so good. Alright, well, yeah, you guys, again, I'll be streaming a little bit longer on Theta, and tune me in there, and I'll see you guys there. And on, no, Saturday. I was going to say Monday, but I have a video coming on Saturday, Ethereum, I gave a hint. Rocket. See you guys.